Hey guys, welcome to Syllabi. So basically all you're going to do is go to syllabi.io on your mobile devices, click register. Now you're going to select Kitsilano Secondary from the drop-down menu. Your school verification code is Kitsilano Secondary 2019, all lowercase, no spaces. You're going to put in your first and your last name. And then you're going to put in an email address that you know you'll check or you'll see. If you do put in your VSB email, make sure you put in the learn.vsb.bc.ca rather than just vsb.bc.ca, and create a password, confirm the password, and click submit. There you go. Okay, now you're in. You can click save password there. So this is just kind of the main menu here. So we're going to go into add a course. First and foremost, we're going to add the day calendars, so you can add it right there, and now you can see what day it is on every single day, all the way through to December. We're going to go back today. Okay, now we're going to go, you can click on the day calendar here if you want to just kind of see it in a different format there. Now we're going to add the school calendar. So this will tell you all the days, the Pro D days, the university presentation, collaborative days, that kind of information here, all added to your calendar. Now we're just going to add your courses. So search up, let's say social studies. You'll have to find your teacher name and the block, and then you'll add it to the calendar. You'll add the band class you're in, and let's say math. So find the teacher and the block number, and add that to your calendar. So now all your courses are aggregated onto that calendar right there, and if you drop down here, you can basically see all the due dates. I'll go back to October here so we can see it. You can see all the due dates from all of your courses with your school calendar and all that information there. And now if you ever just want to leave a note to bring your textbook or anything like that, just a little notepad to set yourself some reminders, you can just add them here. Say fill out the field trip form, add that, and then if you complete that or want to get rid of it, you can just delete it like that. Now we're just going to go to the agenda. So in the top right hand corner, we're going to click agenda. This will just again show you kind of the entire year with all your due dates in one place, just like. Okay, now we're going to go back and you're going to click on the plus signs next to your course to drop it down and see the Google Calendar or the Apple Calendar push. So when you click Google, it'll open the Google Calendar on your phone. You will need the app for this, but most phones come with it. If you do need to double check that it is just in the drop-down menu up there, you can double check that your courses are added to the calendar, and you can click them here or unselect them if you don't want them. And basically all the due dates will then populate to your Google Calendar. So anytime your teacher changes anything or adds an assignment, it'll instantly change on your Google Calendar, and then you can click it. All the links will be in there as well. And just in case any of you guys want to do this on a desktop later, it's the same thing. Just add your courses on the left-hand column here. All the due dates will populate here. You can pull up your assignments, download the documents, view the assignment on your computer, that sort of thing. So just another option if you guys don't want to use the view this on the mobile device, but still the same thing, everything here from all your classes, and you can go up to the agenda just up at the top here, view everything in one place again. So in case any of you guys want to use desktop instead, there it is. All right guys, thank you for watching. We hope this tool will make your lives as a student a little bit easier.